Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is living their best life, and if you aren't, please do something today to put you on the path of living your best life. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through this gold and burgundy makeup look that I did a while back when I did the straight hair video and was straightening my hair. This is the look that I used to get ready for school that day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure you like this video, comment down below anything that you want, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so let's get started. So as you guys can already see, I began putting on concealer on just some dark marks. So on the sides of my nose, I have bruises because of my glasses. At that time, my glasses had that weird little ridge on it, which it didn't necessarily dig into my skin. I didn't feel it, but it did leave some bruises. And then also along the side of my mouth. And then over here, as you can see, I'm doing my eyebrows. The way that I do my eyebrows is that I use the black Anastasia brow pomade, and then I dip it inside of black eyeshadow. And then over here, as I'm cleaning up my brows, I'm just using the same concealer that I use to conceal the rest of my face. This makeup look was a very light coverage day because I was breaking out a little bit, so I didn't want to put too much stuff on my face. And then over here, as you can see, I'm using a brush instead of a beauty blender to blend it out, because I found that brushes, they tend to blend out things a little bit smoother for me. It gives kind of like an ombre feel, whereas a beauty blender, especially if I'm doing like light coverage, it kind of has like that weird dent type of look, or it feels as if it's taking off all the makeup, or it's just like blending very strange. I don't know how to describe that. Right here, as you can see, that what I'm doing, I am putting on the burgundy color around the outside edges of my eyes, and I'm taking it all the way up to almost my brow, and I'm just blending that out with a soft brush. I really need to learn how these makeup brushes, or what these makeup brushes are called. I'm still pretty much a beginner because I rarely wear makeup. The only times I wear makeup really are for like filming days, or if I'm going out somewhere special. But I'm trying to break that habit and start wearing makeup a little bit more, because it's just a fun way to express creativity, you know. And then right here, I'm taking a flat brush and I'm just patting on a gold color on that inner part of my lids, and I'm taking it up and out as if I'm almost doing like a cut crease with that gold shimmery color. And then what you're going to see me do next is just retake that same brush that I use for the the burgundy color. And I'm just going to be going along the edges around that gold cut crease like area, just to smooth out all the edges, as you can see that I'm doing now. And then right here, I'm taking a white color and I'm just putting that in the tear duct area just to make my eyes look a little bit more highlighted. And then off camera, I put on some lashes, and then right here, what you see me doing is just putting on a little bit of liner as well as mascara. The next part that I'm going to do are my lips. So with my lips is very simple. I use a black lip liner to line the edges of my lips, and then I go in with a lip oil. It's the NK Makeup Pure Lip Oil, the raspberry. And then over here with my Smashbox, I am putting on some blush, and here are the end results. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And with that being said, I hope everybody lives their best life. Peace, love, and light to you all.
Cut the cameras. Dead end.